Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a really special recipe for you all. This one is going to be for rosé pasta. I'm sure you all have had this, and if you haven't, get ready to have something amazing. And it's even perfect because it's pretty wally. So we're going to start in our pot with some oil. Once your oil is nice and warm, go in with your onions, and in goes pimento peppers. We're going to saute this, and I'm adding in some salt and some black pepper and continue to saute until it's tender. Now after the onions are tender, we're going to go in with some minced or chopped garlic, and I'm going in with some garlic and herb seasoning. This seasoning is really amazing, guys. Give that a mix and allow that to cook there for about 1 minute. You don't want to burn the garlic, you just want it to heat through. Now go in with your favorite marinara sauce or pasta sauce and give it a good mix. I'm using Rao's, R-A-O''S. That's the one that we get here in the supermarket that I'm using. You can use any of your favorite. Once you start to see the oils separating from the tomato sauce, you're going to go ahead and add in some chopped mushrooms. Feel free to use whatever vegetables you want in this and make it, tailored to your needs, and give that a mix. Once it's been mixed in properly, you're just going to set it aside. You don't have to cook the mushrooms for too long. That heat is going to help you cook the mushrooms. Next, in a pan, I'm going to add in butter, and once the butter melts, we're going to go in with flour. So now we're creating our cheese sauce. Mixing that flour really well so that there are no lumps. And we're going to cook this out for about a minute on a low heat. You do not want your flour to get brown. You just want it to cook. Once that has happened, we're going to go in with some whole milk, or some stay fresh milk as it's known as in Trinidad, and some heavy cream. The heavy cream is going to add luxuriousness. In goes some black pepper. Next goes in my parmesan cheese, and I like using freshly grated parmesan for this. And I'm going to mix that in, and we're going to cook this until this sauce turns into a thick cheese sauce. In the meantime, I have my pasta boiling. We're going to boil my fettuccine pasta, and I'm going to boil it till al dente in salted water. Al dente means shy of cooked, so it must have a little bite. So my cheese sauce is ready. Look at the consistency. If your sauce is not like this, add some more cheese until you get it to this consistency. And then we're going to marry the both ingredients, the red with the white. So pour that white in and give it a good mix. You'll notice as you're mixing, the color is going to start to change to that rose pink color. Hence the reason why rosé pasta is the name of this dish. So look at this shot. Look how beautiful. Now we have to add in our al dente pasta. I don't like to overcook the pasta because it gets really mushy, so always to the bite. Add in a little bit of that pasta water, so make sure and reserve some pasta water, and start mixing. Now this dish, guys, is best served hot. So if you're making this, you would want to leave the sauce separate from the pasta and just bring the two together when you're ready to serve. I'm sprinkling on some dried parsley, and I'll mix that in. I didn't have to add any additional salt to this. That cheese has enough salt that will carry through the dish. And once you've mixed it in properly, you can still taste it. But now this is ready. Look how luxurious, creamy, and perfect it looks. All you have to do is plate and enjoy. And as I said, guys, this is meant to be served right away. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. After you plate it, you garnish with more of that dried parsley It makes it look really vibrant, and I'm also going to add in some crushed red pepper flakes. So that's it. It's time to have lunch. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.